everyone. My name is Mayuri and I welcome you all to the Wake Up Urban Nari channel, to the Mayuri Kadambande show. And today we have CA Anish Chittale with us, where we will discuss about why CA as a career can be a good option for you. And as you know, that we always discuss from law to grooming and from fitness to relationships, everything on one platform. So let's welcome Anish, CA Anish Chittare here. Hi Anish, how are you?
Hello Mayuri, hello everyone, all the Naris. I am doing extremely good and I hope that you all are following all the COVID protocols and staying safe at home. Thank you. And it's a pleasure to be a part of your channel.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Anish. Thank you for taking out some time for us and helping our Naris who are students and who want to pursue their career in CA. So we wanted to understand and need some guidance from you on that.
Okay. So as you see, chartered accountants are kind of a lifeline, or you can call as the financial line of our country. Even to the extent of PM Narendra Modi, to the extent of our Union Railway Minister, they all have acknowledged the role a chartered accountant plays in our economy, be it managing the accounts of top organizations, dealing with taxation, auditing, finance. So CAs do cover a variety of different avenues, and definitely they are on the rise and would be in the future as well.
Great. Thank you, Anish. Now, can you please help us understand why is the right career direction important for anyone?
See, first I would like to show some stats to you. I had come across one article which had shown the amount of stress and anxiety which workers and employees are facing in their day-to-day life. 74% of employees face stress at workplace, and around 88% face anxiety issues. And this was an article in around December 2020. But one of the major reason why such kind of issues are on the rise is people are embarking on the wrong career path and wrong direction, because the thing which is not suitable for you as per your values, as per your beliefs, as per your work culture, and what your skills are, so then ultimately you are going to face challenges in coping with the situations you are put in. So let me give you one example. There are many people who just try to enter the job market. Once they clear CA, कि भाई job करना है top MNC में बड़ा hefty package लेके. But to be honest, all of them are not suited to work in a job, because you have to require those attributes and characteristics so that you can sustain. And some are those people like me who have these attributes of becoming an entrepreneur, of doing something on my own. And you have to realize what exactly you are made of and not just follow the crowd. So finding the career path would not only impact your career, but also would impact your relationship and health and each and every aspect of life simultaneously, because all these are interconnected to each other, all these aspects of it. So yeah, it's very important.
So Anish, you are also a mentor and hence you can guide people well. This is what is my understanding, and I would want all the Naris also to know who are watching this channel. So Anish, help us understand how to choose the correct career path.
Okay, so there are a set of things which you should see within yourself, and this realization I had when I was working in a job, in an overtime job most of the times. And then I started to realize these things within myself. Number one thing is you should chalk out and properly articulate what exactly forms part of your dream life, and what is utmost essential in you, that is your priorities. So for example, if your priority is just making money or having a great position in career, then for you it doesn't matter how much hours you devote to that job or business. So the utmost important thing is deciding on the priority. Then comes the values, the beliefs, as I just mentioned in a bit earlier, key which kind of values are required for which profession, and whether you have those in you yourself or not. You should have that understanding. Thirdly, also the most important, which is you should be passionate about whatever you're doing, and not just keep boss paisa banana hai, you have to earn a living and you are working in a job. That shouldn't be the case. And lastly is whether you have the required skills, that is interpersonal skills I'm talking about, because interpersonal skills are very essential in today's day and age, because you take each and every job, be it business, be it any freelancing work you're doing, any profession. So communication abilities and forming a meaningful relationship with your peers, your colleagues, your seniors, your clients, your vendors is very important. So getting good knowledge about interpersonal skills and practicing them is very important as well when it comes to deciding the right career. For instance, if you are that kind of a person who is an extrovert, who loves communicating with people and engaging and interacting with the masses, then for you the best kind of job or the best kind of career would be maybe consulting or mass media, wherein you get to engage and deal with many people. Also, if I talk about being a CA specifically, then mergers and acquisitions, deal advisory, or even to that extent valuation part, wherein you get to engage with clients. So that kind of career would be better for you. So this is an example wherein how you can correlate your values, your beliefs, your skills, your passion, and then get a meaningful career direction.
So, Anish, according to you, which is the most important ingredient for a successful career?
Okay. So this ingredient which I am going to discuss is, of course, applicable when it comes to career, but most importantly, it is also relevant in each and every other aspect of life, which is intrapersonal skills, having strong intrapersonal skills. So what exactly are intrapersonal skills? They are your internal abilities, beliefs, the way you react to situations, your approach to life, thinking. So basically they are a combination of your mindset, your self-belief, your self-discipline, resilience. And if you see, we encounter many challenges, obstacles, and issues, be it our career, be it our relationship, be it our health, social life, etc. So, what ultimately helps us to come out of that is having strong intrapersonal skills. So, they are the foundation of any career you enter, basically, any type of damn career in this world you enter. You must develop these skills and attributes which would help you in long run, in achieving your long-term goals, and also simultaneously make your life in full of abundance. So yes, intrapersonal skills are what is the most essential ingredient.
Lovely. I think that is a really great piece of information that we have received from you, Anish. And this will definitely help people who are trying to achieve or who are struggling with selecting the right career. So, Anish, I'm really humbled and grateful to you for giving us time and being on the show. Thank you so much. And my dear Naris, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you. See you again next week. Bye bye. Take care.